Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at euro currency this week. So currently situation stands so that we have a lot of information on the euros, but just a few articles on the pure economical situation. It's interesting to read that actually on every new infected person we have approximately 150 new articles per day, and that is dedicated to virus, and that's just amazing. So today we have prepared significant fundamental research, because on the technical side, well, it's not as important as the fundamental part, but in the fundamental we have tried to understand the nearest economical situation that we have in the nearest term, and also take a look at some background that exists concerning the possible recession, what type of recession will be, what now is going on in financial markets. Now a study suggest that currently markets and general global economy society stands in the process of running into United States dollar. So this process is not over yet. It probably will last for a few weeks more, I suppose, but actually it's coming gradually to the final point. And there are a few moments that suggest this. First of all, you will see that the net position on the euro currency has turned bullish. So that was haven't seen for a long time, but now it is bullish. It means that a lot of short covering have happened on the euro, and indeed currently it no sense to follow any carry trading, because the interest rates on all major central banks stands approximately at the same level. So that explains the fact of massive closing of the short position. So that's the first point. Second point, you will see that open interest and net long position starts to increase on the stock markets. It means that gradually investors accumulated necessary liquidity, and now the first stage of the bargain hunting is starting. So I suggest that will be W-shaped retracement, the recession, and I think that after the first wave of the demand on the stock markets, first stage of the bargain hunting, this will be in the second stage as well. So if you are planning to buy some assets, so don't be upset with the starting up reduction recently. Well, that's just the beginning, so it will be a lot of opportunities and chance to buy more. So, well, that's the two moments that we will keep an eye on. So currently on the next week, we will be watching for the two moments. First of all is the massive PMI reports across the globe in Europe, United States. We will see what the really sentiment stands in the market, what to expect, what the degree and what the impact of the recession stands currently on the economy. Second, we need to keep an eye on the Forex market and the swaps, currency swaps, because they show the balance, the run into United States dollar. As soon as the spreads starts to tighten, it means that the pros running into United States dollar near the final point. So that's two moments. Well, speaking on the short-term situation on the euro currency, unfortunately, guys, as we have not quite natural driving factors for the markets, they are not common economy factors. It's I would suggest that's, well, to be honest, this is impossible to foresee where particular this action will be over. But speaking just on the technical factors that we have, it seems that the downward action should continue a bit more on the euro currency. Approximately, but by our estimation, that could be 101, 102 areas, or approximately 3-4 points more from the current levels, in the perspective of the 1-2 weeks probably. Meantime, currently, euro stands at the weekly oversold, and this is definitely not the point for the new shorts. But anyway, we need to keep an eye on the bounce. Simultaneously, on the weekly chart, we do not exclude, at least we need to consider the opposite scenario where that means it's probably it could become the reversal pattern is forming right now on the EUR. And here we need to discuss what particular moments we need to keep an eye on, what signs will point us where the market will go down more, or this is reversal pattern. And the levels that we have on the daily should provide us the assistance. While market will stand below the major levels, 1167 in particular, but it will be better if market will stay below the confluence. That will tell you that this is just a pullback. That is just a retracement before downward continuation. But if we will see that market breaks all these levels, returning back to the 1250, 113 area, that will mean that probably run into United States dollar is over and market's preparing for reversal, or at least some deep retracement on the weekly chart. This is the key moments that we should keep an eye on within the couple of weeks probably. In the beginning of the next week, we will consider just pull back to some of these levels. By taking a look at the hourly chart, you will see that here we have at least some hint on the possible double bottom pattern. At least we have the wash and rinse and starting upward action up from here. And potentially, if indeed it will be double bottom, that should lead us right to the 110 level. It's 110, creates an agreement right with the confluence daily support and daily resistance. That's our short-term trading plan. So here at these levels, bears will get the chance to go short. At least the first bounce out from this level should happen, and that will provide you a chance to move stops to the break even if you intend to go short here. If our suggestion on downward continuation will be correct, right from here market could start dropping below these levels. For the bulls, that will be time to consider these levels for a breakout. If market will break it up, starting upward action, that could tell you that bearish scenario probably will not be realized and market prepares something else. That's why these two levels are very important. This is approximately the scenario that we intend to follow on the next week.